welcome back to my channel Garden on My Mind. So today I wanted to give you an update of my terrace garden. There is not much happening right now because I have just sown a lot of seeds because my earlier plants had given a lot of fruits and it was end of life for most of them. So what we are left with now is this palak. Again, it took a month and a half to grow this full length, and see how big the leaves have come. It's ready to be harvested, but what I'll do is I won't take the palak out of the soil completely. I'll just cut it so that I can have 1 or 2 harvest more from here. This is the lauki, and recently we had about 6 big laukis, as you can see in this picture, and this is one that we are left with. On I think Friday it was much more smaller, and within 3-4 days it has become ready to be harvested. These are few seeds that we have planted. I don't know what this glass piece is going to. So we planted, I think, beans here about 2 days back. This is the lal saag. There is some problem with this lal saag because it's not growing too much in length, and it is already starting to giving flowers and the seeds. So I have chopped it about like 3 times. It is still growing, so I'll just keep on cutting them and get the harvest as much as I can from this. This is my radish. This is the first time I'm growing the radish because we generally don't eat radish, but my son insisted that he wants to grow some radish and we eat them. So the radishes have started coming out, like it's very tiny. So this is the radish. They are small now, if you see. It will take another 2 to 3 weeks to grow thicker and much more longer into its full size. But it has grown pretty healthy, no pests at all in this plant. So if you remember from my earlier videos, we had lal saag growing here and they went like pretty big. This time I put the carrots here, like recently, only last week, about 2 to 3 days back, we sowed the seeds, so nothing has sprouted yet. This has the beetroot this time, and we had carrots here earlier, and recently we harvested and had a lot of carrot soup and carrot stir fry, etc. And always remember that don't grow the same crops in the same soil. You always need to rotate the crops to ensure that the nutrients are intact in the soil. So this side has become more like a salad counter, and see how nice and fresh and big the lettuce leaves have turned out. This is almost a month old. And we have some purple lettuce also here. More than ready to be harvested. These are the lettuce, the purple and this is the romaine lettuce actually, this is the romaine lettuce which I left for the seeds to be harvested. This is the dill leaves which are ready to be harvested, so I'll just take them out. So dill leaves are very good for health. Apparently they are very high in iron, and it's a very simple recipe. You can just put some potatoes and it cooks very fast. It smells awesome. I had ridge gourd and bitter gourd here, which kind of they dried up, they gave a lot of fruits. So this time I have just exchanged them. I have put the bitter gourd here and I put another lauki here, because now that the summers are starting, so lauki is a fruit that we eat a lot during the summers. This is the bean plant. I already harvested a lot of beans recently, and there are few now which are ready. But again, if you see from the plant itself, you can realize that it is done. And beans plant don't stay for very long. They will give you a bunch of harvest and then they'll die. It has a very short span. And these are extremely sweet, extremely tasty, the taste that you don't get it outside. These are few bush beans that I planted in these 2 pots, which are coming out well. No infestation so far, so I think it's doing well. These 2 are broccoli, this and this. And if you see here, I think by mistake I also dropped the lettuce seeds here. So it is full of lettuce, and which it won't grow so much because it is very crowded. And what I will now do is I will just take out the lettuce. I won't replant it because I have a lot of seeds. I can do that later, I mean some other time. We can actually use this for eating because these are very tender and very sweet. And how I preserve this, what I do is I take a bucket of water and I just place it in so that it stays fresh for about couple of days or more till we finish eating the whole of lettuce. So I'll take all these and put it here like this. So you can keep it in the kitchen like this, and you can pluck it for like 2 to 3 days. These are very tender because these are just the shoots that have started coming out, and it tastes awesome. There is one romaine lettuce as well. So I have a lot of seeds, so I can plant it later. So all these planters are empty. I have just put the seeds. There are peas, there are beans again, there are ridge gourd here somewhere, I think one of these. And if you remember, there were capsicum here which finished its life, and I got yellow, red and chocolate color capsicums for the first time in my life. There were cherry tomatoes. We harvested a lot of cherry tomatoes. And here what I've done is I have added, I think this is cauliflower and that is cabbage, and we have this lal saag. This lal saag is turning out to be better, but the seeds are the same from the same plant. The leaves are, these are getting much taller than that one there, and the leaves are also getting bigger. This is a cucumber plant. So since the summers are coming, let's see how they turn out. This is again lal saag. So we had a lot of lal saag because there was one plant here which kind of, when it bore the seeds, like when it was dry, the flowers were dried and the seeds were there on the fruits. With the wind, they all transplanted everywhere. So these are from the same plant which fell in the soil and it grew. So we didn't kind of take it out. So the cucumber is also growing and the lal saag is also growing. So since there were a lot of seeds fallen on the soil itself, we just took out the top layers of the soil and just added them here. That's why it's become too crowded here and here. So we didn't like plant the seeds separately, we just took out the soil and just placed it here, and the seeds just grew. It's like very crowded if you see there. Hundreds of saag is here. And we have cherry tomatoes here, and this is the normal tomato. I'm getting a feeling that it might not be as good as the harvest that I did earlier. Like I had like those 12 plants and we harvested about total of 16 kgs of tomato, which was amazing. But this is more of like daily consumption, 2 or 3, not more than that. And I have few herbs here, coriander and palak. And the chili plant is still standing strong. So that was it. It was a short video, and I'll give you a progress of how my seeds are doing when they are sprouting. And I think within like 1 or 2 months, this place again will become very green and bushy. So stay tuned. Happy gardening. Bye.